Essential oils are aromatic oily liquids extracted from different parts of plants such as flowers, buds, seeds, leaves, peels, bark and so on. Essential oils are extracted by steam distillation or crushing various parts of the plant. Essential oils have been used for treating many ailments such as relieving stress, boosting energy, alleviating headache, improving mood, reducing anxiety and treating skin conditions like eczema. Some studies have also pointed out that essential oils can also help in treating snoring, a common problem that affects at least 30% of adults and 50% of people who are above 60. Snoring is a hoarse sound that occurs when the flow of air through your mouth and nose is partially obstructed while sleeping. Snoring can lead to insomnia and sleep apnea, a sleep disorder that occurs when a person's breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. Many people use essential oil to treat snoring and improve sleep. A preliminary clinical trial published in Phytotherapy Research showed that a blend of essential oils can effectively reduce snoring in some people. Let's read on to know the essential oils that can help reduce snoring and improve sleep. 1. Lavender essential oil. Inhaling lavender essential oil has been shown to improve sleep quality. A 2014 study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine showed that smelling lavender oil had a positive effect in improving mild sleep disturbances. 2. Thyme essential oil. Thyme essential oil has anti-inflammatory, antifungal and antibacterial properties. Thyme oil when used alone or in a mixture of other natural health-promoting compounds has been found to reduce snoring. 3. Peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil has antibacterial, antiviral and cooling properties. Inhaling peppermint essential oil can help clear the sinuses and make it easier for you to breathe. 4. Lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil is extracted from the peels of fresh lemon through a cold pressing method. A 2011 study found that lemon essential oil can help treat snoring when used either as an essential oil spray or gargle formulation. 5. Fennel essential oil. Fennel essential oil is extracted by crushing the seeds of the fennel plant through a steam distillation process. Fennel oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help decrease inflammation in the nose and throat and improve the flow of air through the nasal passages. 6. Eucalyptus essential oil. The leaves of the eucalyptus trees are dried, crushed and distilled to extract the essential oil. Smelling eucalyptus oil can help loosen up the mucus in your respiratory system, which may help reduce snoring. 7. Vetiver essential oil. Vetiver essential oil can help you breathe better during sleep. A 2010 study published in the Chemical Senses found that vetiver oil increased quality of exhalation and reduced inhalation during sleep. This means that people who snore heavily can use vetiver oil to improve their breathing patterns. 8. Clove essential oil. Clove essential oil is made by distilling the dried flower buds from the clove tree. Using clove essential oil can help clear the sinuses and improve the flow of air through the nasal passages. 9. Sage essential oil. Sage essential oil possesses antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The oil is extracted from the leaves of the sage herb through steam distillation. Using sage essential oil before bedtime can help improve your sleep quality. 10. Marjoram essential oil. Marjoram essential oil is extracted from the marjoram herb, an aromatic herb belonging to the mint family. Marjoram oil is known to clear the sinuses and open airway passages, which help you breathe better and works well for heavy snorers. How to use essential oils to treat snoring. You can use the essential oils in many ways. These include: diffuse the essential oil into the air and inhale it. Add the diluted essential oil to your bathwater. Add few drops of diluted essential oil under your feet. Add few drops of essential oil to a cup of water and gargle for few minutes. Take few drops of essential oil and mix it with a carrier oil and massage on your skin.